Hello students, welcome to the online class of South Point Institute. This is the class of SST of class 4, chapter number 3. The name of the chapter is the Northern Plains. Let's start the discussion. Students, at first we have to know what is a plain. That means the definition of plain. A plain is a large flat area of fertile land. A large part of northern India is flat and fertile. This area is known as the Northern Plains. The Northern Plains lie to the south of the Himalayan mountains and run from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. The rivers that start from the snow-clad Himalayas flow through these plains. The rivers carry water and a lot of fine silt, rocks and debris. The deposit of fine clay, silt and gravel is called alluvium, which is extremely fertile and ideal for growing crops. The area that gets watered by a river and its tributaries is called its basin. A tributary is a small river that joins a large river. The Satluj River Basin. The western part of the plains around the river Satluj is called the Satluj Basin. The states of Punjab and Haryana get watered by the Satluj and its tributaries. The important cities of this region are Chandigarh, Amritsar, Ludhiana, Ambala, etc. The farmers depend on water from these rivers for irrigating the fields. Wheat is the main crop of this region. The Bhakranangal Dam has been built across the river Satluj. It provides water for irrigation and produces hydroelectricity. Students, our next point is the Ganga River Basin. The Ganga Basin lies to the east of the Satluj Basin. The Ganga River is an important river system in India. It is regarded as a holy river by the Hindus. The Yamuna is the main tributary of river Ganga. It is born from a glacier called Jamunotri. It joins Ganga at Prayagraj. The place where they meet is called Sangam. The Ganga enters the plains at Haridwar in Uttarakhand and flows through Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal. In West Bengal, the river is divided into two branches. One of its branches, the Hooghly River, flows through the city of Kolkata. The another branch is called Padda, flows through Bangladesh and then enters the sea. What is called delta? The flow of the rivers slows down as it carries sediments and silt. It is so heavy that it starts depositing sediments. These deposits form a triangular islands of silt at the mouth of the river. This is known as delta. Give one example of delta. The delta of the Ganga and the Brahmaputra together form the world's largest delta, that is known as Sundarban Delta. The Ganga Basin gets a lot of rainfall. That is why a number of crops are grown here, like wheat, rice, jute, sugarcane, etc. For this reason, this basin is called the food bowl of India. The Brahmaputra River Basin. The Brahmaputra Basin lies in Assam. The river Brahmaputra originates in Tibet, where it is known as Sangpo. This basin also receives a lot of rainfall, which causes floods. The main crops of this region are rice and jute. Tea is grown on the slopes of the hills. Life in the Satluj Basin. The Satluj River flows through the states of Punjab and Haryana. Chandigarh is the capital city of both these states. As the basin is fertile and has abundant water supply, most of the people are farmers. Cattle rearing is also practiced and healthy breeds of cows and buffaloes are bred here. People of Punjab are prosperous and celebrate festivals like Lohri, Boisakhi, Guru Purab and Diwali. Life in the Ganga Basin. New Delhi and the states of Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Bihar and Jharkhand fall in this basin. West Bengal is famous for rice and jute production. People speak Bangla and are fond of creative art and music. Durga Puja is the most important festival. Some important cities are Meerut, Agra, Kanpur, Varanasi, etc. The main crops are grown here are sugarcane, rice, pulses and oilseeds. Bihar is a state of historical importance. Patna is the capital city. People celebrate Diwali, Eid, Chhath, etc. Life in the Brahmaputra basin. The Brahmaputra basin mainly covers the states of Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. Assam is the largest producer of tea. Dispur is the capital city and Guwahati is the largest city. Sericulture is practiced here. Sericulture means the production of raw silk from silkworms. Bihu is a harvest festival which is marked by dance and music. Itanagar is the capital city of Arunachal Pradesh. Main crops are rice, maize, millet, wheat, sugarcane and oilseeds. Some of the important festivals celebrated are Losar, Mongpa, etc. So students, our discussion is up to here. We will meet again in our next period. Thank you everyone. Have a good day.